They taught you to work hard, save every single penny, and leave it in a traditional bank account. But what if I told you that this basic financial advice is the ultimate trap designed to keep you permanently broke, while inflation quietly eats away at your purchasing power every single second? The wealthy don't hoard cash in savings accounts. They follow a hidden rule, and the moment you hit exactly $3,000 in emergency cash, you need to stop saving money immediately and completely shift your mindset toward building massive wealth. You see, $3,000 is the perfect psychological sweet spot because it is more than enough to cover an unexpected medical bill, a sudden car repair, or a temporary financial emergency, eliminating your anxiety without leaving too much of your hard-earned capital rotting away in a zero-interest checking account. Once you secure this foundation, your financial strategy must shift from defensive hoarding to aggressive capital deployment, where every single dollar above this limit becomes a financial soldier tasked with bringing back more money. The middle class fails because they store money, whereas the wealthy understand that money is meant to be moved instantly into income-producing assets like index funds, high-yield dividend stocks, or high-leverage digital business models like YouTube automation and e-commerce that generate passive streams while you sleep. Imagine the unstoppable compound effect of taking just $200 a month, money, that would normally sit stagnant earning a pathetic fraction of a percent, and instead investing it into an index fund that historically returns 8 to 10% compounded annually. Over time, that small, consistent shift transforms ordinary savings into an avalanche of generational wealth. Look at the banking system itself. Banks don't save your money. They take your deposits, pay you almost nothing, and instantly lend it out to make massive profits for themselves. Meaning that by keeping your money in a savings account, you are literally funding the bank's wealth while staying completely stagnant. True financial security does not come from a pile of cash. It comes exclusively from building predictable cash flow that pays you regardless of whether you show up to a job or not. So secure your $3,000 emergency cushion today to eliminate immediate risk, and then make the firm, unapologetic decision to stop saving and start aggressively investing into digital assets that will permanently change the trajectory of your financial future. And if you are ready to break free from the traditional matrix and accelerate your path to absolute freedom, hit that subscribe button right now and drop a comment below with the word wealth to prove you are taking action today.